Welcome, welcome, guys. So I'm talking about a video of the river and how the river come down and all those things, right, guys?
Look at the river, guys. Look at it. Look at it. This is your houses. This is my home. Right? You see? On top of the hill. Yes. Yes, guys. Down coming down the step. Yeah. This is what you know. This is water going for water going. My God. Look at it. Yeah. Them say the storm not coming, you know. But this is what is going on now. Yeah. This is what is going on. Well, the bridge just a step up now. My God. Yes. Oh boy. As we say, we just have to pray for the best. We just have to pray for the best, trust me. Because I'm a pretty thing I go on. Yes? What happened? What? See the breeze is building up again. What happened? Dog? Wow, yo boy. Look at it, guys. Oh my God. This creates a lot of damage already, you know, but in the country area, you know? Yeah. So Danny there over there and the step down there, you can see her. Oh. Yes. All the banana tree, the breeze blow them down. My God. And the storm not come yet, guys. If the storm not come yet, and the storm will be here, so. My God. If the storm not come yet, it will be here, so. Look at the banana trees are down. But if I could go around the farm, but through the water heavy around the farm, I can't get to go around that side. Yes. Then I look back up on the building. You know? Yeah. Everybody park up in the yard. Yeah. Yeah, guys, this is what it look like. Yes. My God. Yeah, man. This is it, guys. Yes. This is what is going on now. Them say later today the hurricane will come. We just have to just watch and brace for what's going on. You know? We just have to brace and watch for what's going on. So when the water reach on the step. Yeah. Yeah. See Dan coming down on the step. Right? Yeah. Yes, guys. Melissa is active. My God. See Danny coming down now. What do you think about the whole situation, Danny?
Well, it's rough, you know, and the storm not come yet.
It's rough.
The hurricane not come yet, them say.
But we just have to pray, we just have to pray and hope for the best because there's nothing we can do. Uncle, the father can come and help us, you know? Because what is going on now not pretty. Well, the storm really affect us here, you know, because we're on the rock, you know. The water just bounce off and gone, you know. So, we have a lot to give thanks about. We have a lot of people homeless, a lot of people have to go in shelters, you know, because their home is not safe. Their home is flooded out. We have to give thanks, you know. There are a few falling trees and a few trees falling in the banana field, but not yet to talk about.
We don't go around the farm yet to see what...
Yeah, we don't really go around the farm yet to see what really are going on. But
but after this,
we're going to visit the farm to see what really go on. The danger we're going to the farm, you know?
I know the light gone and the internet.
Yeah, the light, internet, everything gone.
Yeah.
So, we're not in a communication.
Yeah, you're not going to see this video until the internet come back. Like.
Yeah. So it's a go. But hope everybody is safe. Everybody at a warm place.
Yeah.
You know? Because we're going in a pretty. Not pretty.
You're up in the hills, they feel it.
Yeah, up in the hills, they feel it.
Enough people down the country,
Yeah,
I feel it too.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So like
And it don't come yet, you know, guys.
Yeah, not come yet at all.
It don't come yet.
Not come
We
yet.
not tonight. We don't want to talk tonight, you know.
You know, most time the storm and at the night it come, you know. Most time disaster come during the night, you know. No matter how you can come in the day,
right through the night.
Yeah, man. Because them say this hurricane will come by 10 o'clock, I see nothing no reach it.
Right.
It will push back and stay. It should be here from 4 or 5 o'clock. And then push it till 10 o'clock and see it go back. It's still not coming. So it will wait till really in the night, you know. To really come and see what is going on. It will wait till really in the night to come to see what is really going on, you know.
Right.
Because I know this the hurricane, I know at night them really check for coming at that time I check the power, you know.
Yeah.
You know? But
watch the river, guys.
just have to just go through.
My God.
Look at that.
See?
Look at that.
Yeah.
We just have to just hope for the best. Right.
Lord.
It's not pretty. Not pretty, guys. Not pretty at all. Not pretty at all. Not pretty at all. The inspector will come. The inspector will speed up back again. No? Yeah. So what you think about everything, Danny?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you already.
Well, I want you to be brave though. You're not coward though. I want you to know you're not coward. You're a strong woman. Is it? You're a strong woman. You're not coward. You're not coward. You're not coward. Oh boy. From last night, we get a lot of rain. From last night, we get a lot of rain from last night into this morning. You know? I think about half an hour ago the rain kind of stopped. But I guess it's going to develop back more later down in the evening, you know. I just say the storm don't come out here. You know?
The hurricane.
The hurricane don't come out here.
The hurricane like come with the breeze.
Yeah.
Storm. We get more breeze than the rain.
We have a lot to give thanks. We have a lot to give thanks. You know? We have a lot to give thanks about, you know. Oh boy. Guys, boy.
I don't want to go too far.
I don't want to touch too far, no, guys. When I go, I will touch out the breeze start blow again. So I will stay near to the home. That everything will just move up back fast, go to shelter, you know. So, yeah. Melissa is a calm girl, you know. Anybody named Melissa always calm, you know. That's why this time is behaving like this, you know. Because Melissa always be a calm person. So she going on as calm as possible. I don't know what she going to do later. Is she going to act up? I don't know. But we just have to watch and see. You know, maybe it move away from us. Maybe it move away from us. Don't know. I wish that happened.
Oh man, we can't take this stuff coming in the night.
Yeah, but admit you that.
And then we not a light and them stuff.
Yeah. Most time I wear mine at the night it happen, you know. Disaster always coming at the night. That's the thing about it. You know? Disaster always coming at the night. So we just have to work for the best. As you say, we have to pray. Because not beat prayers, you know. We can't do it by ourselves, you know. We cannot do it by ourselves. No matter what think we can do it. Yeah, we can't do it by ourselves. So we just have to just strong up.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Right.
Oh God.
And I tell you something, the river not come down the right way yet.
Right.
I tell you.
So when the river comes down all over them place there,
I see,
water.
I see in the past, the river come down when the whole of this up, a river. The whole of this a river run go down there. When you look over this, a big river. You understand? So, you just have to watch and hope for the best here, man. And I will say pray. Pray for everybody. You understand? Because this need, what kind of intervention you call it? What kind of intervention you call this? We need? Yeah, we need intervention to get this thing, you know? Because obviously we can't do it by ourselves.
Yeah.
You see all the president, them are going like them big and bold and bad. They can't stop this. They cannot stop it, don't. So that's why it's a man. Man cannot do it, don't. So it's all about the Father, you know. We have to believe in the Father, you know.
Yes.
So,
yes.
You know, that's how it go, boy. So let's go, so. Oh, guys.
So guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video now, guys. Yes, because the rain is coming down back.
Yeah, man.
And yeah, so I'm gonna wrap it up. And I don't know if I can put out no more after it's gone. I don't know yet because we're not on the light on the internet. I don't know when we're gonna get it back.
Yeah.
So just keep safe, guys.
Yeah, man.
All Jamaicans, yes, keep safe.
Yeah, man, keep safe and...
Keep safe, guys. And this
Yeah,
is
man.
Brother Norman.
Yeah, man. I
Yeah.
tell you.
Yeah, man.
I just say, not need prayer here.
True.
Man can't do this, you know.
No.
You say, I listen, man, go on and go on. No hand to hold, no president.
Nobody.
No. What you
Only
call it,
Father
can't
God.
do.
You just
And
need
Father
to
God
pray.
have to do it.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
Because, you know, Father
True.
God have to do it.
Yes,
Let's have
guys.
hope for the best. And pray
Yeah.
for everybody that everybody keep safe, you know? Yeah, man.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.
Yes. Yes, guys.
And
Everybody
I say
keep
pray.
safe. Yeah. Yeah. Not be proud.
Not be prayer.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes, guys. So have a great day, guys.
Have a great day.
And
guys.
bless you all.
Bless you all.
Keep safe.
Keep safe.
All Jamaica, because Jamaica are coming up. So,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. God bless you. Bye, guys.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to the Honest Kitchen. This is the next morning after the storm. Yes, I'm gonna show you some video after the storm, what it is like. My God, look at it, guys. Wow, devastating. Everybody take it full force. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Well, we have to give thanks. No life has lost so far. You know? We have to give thanks. I'm on the road. Yeah. Looking at, wow, what is happening on the road? Oh my God. It could have been worse. Could have been worse, guys. Could have been worse. But you have to give thanks. You have to give thanks. Yeah. Woo. Oh God. This is devastating. But as I said, it could be worse. We at East Rural Center to go and get the full force of it, you know. You know? We don't get the full force of East Rural. It more up and down the country, you know. Yes. It more up and down the country. But my God. I'm going up now where I work to look at up there. Yeah. Yes, God. Got a little landslide here. Oh my God. How to say? We have to give thanks. Because so we have a part overflowing here. That's a bit. Some water go down it today. Yeah. Water run out of the drain. Yeah. That is it. Whoa. Yes, guys. Whoa. Whoa. Woo. We have a landslide over there. Yeah. Coming up to a little bridge, footbridge. Yeah. This is in the country, guys. The hills of St. Andrew. Yeah, you know, with a countryman in them. You know? Yeah. Look at the river, guys. Wow. Look at it. Here, drop off a tree. Yeah. Banana trees down. Yeah. Boy. Oh boy. This is devastating. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Whoa. This is up by the plant. Yeah, up here look good. Yeah. Yes, guy. Look at it. A lot of rain. Wow. Woo. A bunch of bananas here. Give thanks. Yeah. Yes, guys. Have to give thanks, you know. Everything is intact. Now I'm on my way going back down. Yeah. Going back down. Yeah, we have light pole on the tree here. Tree falling on the light pole. Yeah. Oh my God. As I said, could have been worse. You have to give thanks. You have to give thanks. You have to give thanks. Yeah. Lot of trees, lot of banana trees fall down. Got that. God. Got banana tree. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Woo. Baby. Yes, guy. Look over that house, over the hill. We have a massive landslide. Wow. Wow. Coming up back now. Oh. Yes, guys. I left say we have a lot to give thanks for. It could have been worse. I think he's who are St. Andrew's spared from the wrath of the hurricane. You know? Yeah? Yeah, man, we are spared. So we have to give thanks. We have to give thanks, we have to give thanks. Yeah? Wow. Whoa, look at that. Oh, I'm going over back now. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. Yes guys, this is the end of the video. Give thanks and keep safe. Okay guys.